Hello guys, welcome to our channel Sanjeev070. So in this video, particularly it's an unboxing video. So we're going to unbox a pair of Boat earphones that I recently bought with Amazon, and I will share the link below in the description so that you could also buy it with the own purchase. Now without wasting time, let's unbox this and let's check up with this product. So basically you can see it's a pair of earphones, both are same. It's a pair of Boat earphones, and specifications are it has super extra bass, 3.5 mm jack is also an angled one, like it would be more strengthenable, and braided cable. It has a fiber cable, like it's more of a used for rough use, like it has braided cable, and it has also dedicated call button where it is being you can easily attend the calls. So you can see it officially has some earphones. So this is another same pair of earphones, the same Boat, and both are peculiarly the same, but I bought it a pair of two just for my personal use. So now without wasting time, let's open the box, and let's see what's inside the boxes. Okay, so it's crispy one. This is very rough packing, so let's open this. I broke up with the seal. Let's have a look into the earphones. So yeah, this is the part. So as you can clearly see out of the box, it's a pair of earphones where they are placed in a very well equipped manner, and this is a kind of a graded fiber. As you can clearly see the amount of thickness that it clearly has, and this could serve also very rough use. And definitely I'll be checking in this same video regarding the audio quality of these earphones and updating to you. So basically this is the Pointworth earphones, like that has a contactless with the user. Now apart from this, we have some extra ear patches also, some extra ear tips also has been given inside this earphone, so it's a very good thing. And apart from this, it's a manual that's basically been there, and by studying this we could easily do PhD. And this is a clear description of the manual. This is clear of the working of the Bose, and there's a smart card, and this is just a smart card, and it's warranty card. So you can clearly see it's a 1-year warranty. So it's a warranty. Definitely if you purchase from the link below I provide you, you will get the same warranty card, as you can clearly see from here. So let's get to the package. So this is the graded fiber. So coming back to earphones, so once we roll this out into a new part, so this is very brittle type in nature. Basically it has some kind of soft protection and hard protection also. So as you can clearly see, this is the quality that they offer, Boat. And I have my first Boat brand earphones are this only. As you can clearly see, the audio jack is something clearly vivid. In this scenario, it's been segmented layer by layer so that you could easily fit up with some earphones and some laptops. Like in my MI14 notebook, I'll be showing you how this gonna work, and we'll just see how this is being set up here. So as you can see, we had been provided a headphone jack. I just logged up here. So as you can see, it is clearly fittable to any brands, any parts, etc. So this what about this graded fiber? So this graded fiber basically, as you can see, it's very rough and elastic by nature, so some kind of rough use could be also done. And it's a very lengthy cable, so that you could just fit up in the pocket and you could just use the earphones as the best quality. and I suppose it doesn't have any magnetic support by it. Yeah, it's, you can clearly see there is no magnetic support, but you can easily change the ear tips if you really want, as they have provided some kind of extra ear tips. So now let's perform the audio check. So let's check. So I have checked some kind of quality audio service, so it's pretty much decent, and it's pretty much cool regarding the earphone also. Not very, couple of little bit of noises are there, but certainly you can purchase at the cost that I purchased it for $5.99, as I am being a Prime customer. So this is the review of this product. So basically that's all for this video, and hopefully you like this video. Do like to subscribe to the channel. You can use this ear tips as a surplus, so that if you have lost some of the ear tips in your earphone, you can easily get through it, and you can easily have a look over this. So yeah, that's all for this video. A sub would be definitely helpful for the channel, and if you really like the video, if you really like the content that I put, and do support the channel by hitting the like and subscribe button, and also channel. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.